pasarela ko and my dance routine. Pero I think we are mentally, I am mentally and physically fit.
How old are you na?
40.
40. And of course, you won your national pageant in Malaysia last year, right? So, uh, ano yung nag-motivate sa'yo to join in your national pageant again?
Of course, my family. Not everyone gets to have the kind of opportunity to represent our country on the international stage. Pero with my family support, kaya na. Tanang wait lang.
Wow, ano ba?
Can you share us kung ano yung mga preparations mo for this match?
Last month, actually, we only had less than a month of preparations po. So, we focused po sa pasarela ko and my dance routine po. And then, just Saturday po, dun lang po kami nag-final dress rehearsal. So, very na crowd po talaga. Pero, we came prepared.
So ano-ano yung mga activities na
Align
gagawin
up.
niyo or naka-line up?
We have an exhibition day po. Exhibition. Showcase po natin doon yung different cultures po ng different countries. And we also have may mga tour po para sa mga candidates po. So, makakapag-explore po kami ng better.
So you're competing sa Vietnam, no? Ano yung nilook forward mo dun sa competition sa Vietnam? Ano yung nilook forward mo na sa competition na yun sa Vietnam?
This year po, I just really want to enjoy the moment po. I gave my all naman po sa efforts ko po and sa preparations ko po. So, ito naman po, aside from giving my best in every segment, i-enjoy ko na lang po talaga yung moment and make the most now.
Can you tell us the culture? Meron bang national costume competition on
Yes.
there? Ayun. So, can you tell us, ano lang, hint lang or parang clue concept ng national costume?
Yung national costume ko po this year, parang makita niyo po siya sa land and very important siya sa culture natin sa Philippines.
And of course, designed by Jadi,
My national director.
the national director.
May idea ka kung ilan kayong candidates na maglalaban?
I heard po are 50.
50?
1-5?
5-0. Pero sa Miss Steel, kasi you're under your category, ilang kayong maglalaban?
Sa
5-0?
Kasi Mr.
Mr. and Miss. Ayun. Do you have representative din ba for Mr. Tim, Philippines? So,
Sa Philippines po ako lang.
ay ko lang as Miss Steel. Yes.
So how do you feel right now na pupunta ka na sa Vietnam to compete for Miss Teen Super Globe?
Feels very surreal po talaga since last year I was here to compete in another country and this year po we are off to Vietnam. I feel very honored po to represent our country again and I promise to make everyone proud.
Yes. And of course, our favorite pageant question will be our next Miss Teen Super Globe 2025.
I believe that I am deserving of the crown of the title because I have a mission. I have a mission to fulfill po with or without the title.
So may date na kung kailan yung grand coronation na yun?
August 16. So abangan niyo.
So, paano yung feeling na, of course, at the young age, no, ang dami mo ng achievement, especially sa pageant.
So, of course, may pressure po kasi syempre bata pa lang po. Pero I turn it into motivation instead. Kasi syempre pinagkasabay ko po yung ACADS ko and modeling. Pero with my family and friends support po, kayang po.
And what was the best advice you've ever received from your national director, Jandy Roman?
He said po na to just enjoy the moment. Huwag po akong kabahan and just do everything I can. Represent our country on the international stage.
Meron ka bang gustong iparating na advice sa mga gustong mag-compete din also sa international na kagaya mo?
So, to those who wants to join pageants po, start now even if you feel unready. Confidence is built through experience po. and not before it. So, kung gusto mo mag-join ng pageant, just go for it po and go for it.
So,
Yeah. For the information, of course, ano bang mga segments sa paglalaban-labanan? Like, for example, if you have a singer ba, evening gown, ano yung mga segments na paglalaban sa competition?
Sa ano lang po talaga, sa national dance and then yung evening.
I see. So, ano yung i-showcase mo na dance?
Cultural dance po.
Cultural
Na
dance.
may halo ng modern.
wow. Siyempre, napakaganda yung departure look mo ngayon.
Chorus from Tito
You're a
Jan.
designer.
Tito Jan.
Oh my God. Hindi ko talaga dyan.
Anong inspiration yan? Anong inspiration ng departure look?
Hindi,
Outfit
I
mo?
have no idea po.
With flowers.
Nagkakatiwalaan po talaga namin si Tito Jan.
Nakita mo na ba yung mga co-candidates mo pagdating sa Vietnam?
Yung posts po, may mga pinost po yung pageant sa social media. Pero sa personal po, wala sa
Sino sa tingin mo yung medyo matindi kong makakalasan? Sa Vietnam.
It's very hard to tell po kasi we are all unique po ng mixed up. Pero what sets me apart is my passion po in modern.
Do you have any gifts or gifts para sa mga
Yes po.
co-candidates mo?
Yes po. As I said, meron po kaming exhibition day. And I have gifts to give sa mga candidates po. I have the weave wallets and our traditional.
You have competed internationally na. So, what have you learned from competing sa international and how will you use it by this time na you are a candidate of Miss Teen Super Globe?
So for my previous the competition, I have learned the importance of socializing and engaging with the other candidates. And this year in Vietnam, I plan to be the same.
What's your favorite beauty queen?
For Catria.
Wow. Dahil dyan, sample naman ng pasarela. Siguro later na lang.
Sino yung mga kasama mo sa Vietnam?
We are only four po. Ako, si Mommy and Tito Johnny and of course my beautiful hair and makeup artist.
Any message to your mom na super support sa iyong pageant journey?
So, Mommy, I may not be very vocal sa'yo, pero I am super grateful sa support mo since day one. And I really, really want to make it.
Sobrang ganda ng makeup. Who did your makeup?
The one and only Eric Dalroscar.
Ay, bongga.
Eric, pwede ka ba lang i-introduce sa inyo? Ano ba yung mga aabangan namin, of course, sa kay Miss Teen Philippines, Super Globe? Ano yung mga aabangan namin pasabog na pasasabugin nyo sa Vietnam?
And syempre, of course, the makeup, yung mga looks na gagawin po namin, especially the Natcos. Sobrang na-excite ako doon sa gagawin namin look kasi sobrang abangan po talaga natin yung Natcos. Then, sa evening gown, syempre pinag-aralan ko na din talaga yung mukha niya para mas lalong mga talaga yung ganda ng mga Pilipinas.
So itong makeup ko na to ngayon, itong departure makeup ko,
Yes.
parang pang finals na to eh. So aabangan pa kami.
Yes, meron pa. Mas bongga.
So talagang na-test look nyo na lahat-lahat.
Yes.
Ilang days yung competition?
Ilan days yung competition?
Actually, parang almost 1 week.
Almost one.
Almost.
Any message to your alaga?
Siyempre anak, galingan mo ha. Siyempre, PDPs, for the proud, yes.
Thank you, Eric. Mother, any message?
Message po.
Any message to your daughter, of course, now that your daughter will be representing again the Philippines for international competition. Ano mga pinaghandaan nyo for this time, for international passion sa Vietnam?
Actually, parang mabilisan lang ang 1 month preparation. So, masasabi ko lang na, walang masabi. Papatay ako ng tense, pero pabisan.
What
So,
made you
ayun na.
decide po, ma'am, na sumali ulit si daughter for the international competition?
Gusto niya rin po kasi, kaya support lang as a mother. Kung ano man yung gusto niya, yun din naman din yung gusto ko. So yun, support lang po.
Salamat. Thank you, Mother.
Congratulations in advance
And
po.
photo muna siguro. Last message na.
Last message mo na lang sa mga fans and supporters.
Message,
Po, sorry.
Message.
your message sa mga supporters mo, sa fans, sa viewers namin.
And sa families mo, ganun.
Promote mo na rin.
To everyone po, thank you so much for your unwavering support and love. I feel very honored po to represent our country again on the international stage po. And as I said, I will make everyone happy.
Thank you so much and best of luck here.